Hi, just want to show you the construction nightmare we've been going through for the past few months with no end in sight. Road work ahead. 3 months, no one has done anything with it. I haven't seen anyone. Have you seen anyone working here?
No.
3 months it's been like this. Thought I saw a guy one day, but he was just cutting grass. Look at this. Look at this. Ridiculous. No one, not a soul, no one's working. You'll see the sign coming up says end of road work, but that's just a teaser because it's only temporary. Because a mile down the road, this happens. Look at this idiot, look at the idiot. I'll get over right now. Oh, the airport exit's open. People can catch their flight. Last week that was closed. People on the way to the airport. Oh, do you have a flight? Sorry. Look, no one's here. No one's here. I come by last week. I saw one guy picking his ass. Oh, look, they have a toilet in case someone ever shows up. Seems like a waste of a lot of signs. I mean, you put construction ahead, end of construction. Why not just have one sign? This is the only 1 mile stretch in all of Pennsylvania that's not under construction at this time. Enjoy. Oh, this has nothing to do with construction. It's just we went shopping yesterday and some idiot decided it was appropriate to bring his motor home to go to Costco. Here is a person taking their house to Costco. Look at this idiot. You know what aggravates me more than construction? This dog in the background that sounds like Curly from the Three Stooges.